Mind over matter, my home, my brainchild. Imagine this. You're comfy on the couch, movie night, you think lights off, suddenly darkness, no need to lift a finger. This isn't science fiction. It's the mind-blowing power of brain-computer interfaces. We're on the edge of a revolution, technology that merges with our thoughts, our brains becoming remote controls for the world around us. Is this the future? Let's dive in. Decoding the brain, how EEG headsets tap into thoughts. First, the science. Our brains are buzzing with electricity. Every thought, a tiny spark. An EEG headset, like a listening device, picks up these signals. It's like recording a symphony of neurons firing. These brainwaves have patterns. Focus creates sharp, fast waves. Relaxation shows up as slow, rolling ones. Scientists can identify these patterns. They can tell what your brain is doing. My smart home, my lab. Setting the stage for mind control. My apartment became a lab. I rigged lights, TV, even the coffee maker to a central hub. This hub connects to a computer, the brains of the operation. The EEG headset transmits my brainwaves to the computer. Special software then analyzes them in real time. Each distinct brain pattern is programmed to trigger a command. Think lights on, the software recognizes the pattern, and voila. The humorous reality of thought-controlled living. The first few days were hilarious. Thinking about pizza turned the oven on. Daydreaming about the beach, the sprinklers went off. Clearly training my brain and the software took time, but then magic. I turned the lights off just by thinking it. The TV switched channels with the power of my mind. The feeling, like having superpowers, but even superheroes have glitches. One time during a tense movie scene, my turn off the lights brainwave kicked in. Whoops! My wife was not amused. And then there was the incident with the neighbor's Wi-Fi. Let's just say accidental smart home takeovers are a real possibility. This is where things get serious. Imagine the possibilities, but also the risks. What if our thoughts are hacked? Our deepest desires exposed? And who controls this technology? Who decides what our brainwaves can and cannot do? These are not just sci-fi plot lines. These are real ethical dilemmas we need to address now, before this technology becomes too powerful. It's easy to get caught up in the what-ifs, but let's not forget the potential benefits. Imagine helping paralyzed patients regain control, or enabling communication for people with locked-in syndrome. The possibilities for good are immense. This technology is still in its infancy, but the future is bright. Imagine a world where we can learn faster, communicate more easily, and interact with technology seamlessly. The key is to proceed with caution, ensuring safety, privacy, and ethical use. So as we stand at this crossroads, we need to ask ourselves, what are we willing to risk for convenience? How do we protect our privacy in a world where our thoughts can be accessed? And most importantly, how do we ensure this technology is used for good? The future is in our hands. Let's use our brains not just to control our homes, but to shape a future where technology empowers and uplifts us all.